In 1977, Glenmark embarked on a mission to enrich patients' lives. Today, we are a $1.4 billion company with over 13,500 employees in 50 countries from 60 nationalities. We have not only built a successful global branded generics business, but also have evolved into an innovation-driven organization. It began as a series of small steps. The learning that came with experience helped us fine-tune our strategies and forge ahead, finding newer ways of doing things with a strong backing of enabling foundations and, most importantly, our people. We strive to be one step ahead. One step ahead in being socially responsible and enriching lives. Glenmark has maintained a strategic focus on key therapy areas and building a competitive product portfolio across geographies. In the U.S., by focusing on niche and differentiated generic products, Glenmark has emerged as a leading player in the dermatology and oral contraceptives generic segments. In India, we remain one of the fastest growing pharma companies with a significant market share in our key therapy areas of respiratory, dermatology, and cardiometabolic. We have also scaled up our consumer care business in a short period of time with 3 strong brands. We have a sizable presence in Europe, especially in the UK and Germany. The launch of Salmex in the Nordics is a great example of how Glenmark is staying ahead of the competition. In the ROW markets, Glenmark continues to be a dominant player in Russia and ranks amongst the top dermatology companies. In the Middle East and Africa, Kenya and South Africa are our strong markets. We continue to have a formidable presence in Asia, with key markets being in the Philippines and Malaysia. In LATAM, Brazil is our biggest market, where we remain focused on our respiratory portfolio. Glenmark is a market leader for many API products in semi-regulated and regulated markets. At Glenmark, innovation never stops. With R&D centers across India, Switzerland, and the US, we innovate 24/7. Our investment in R&D has kept us a step ahead and is yielding breakthrough new molecules that are in various stages of development. Our focus on adding value to patients through incremental innovation has brought us closer to the global launch of our first branded specialty pharmaceutical product. Glenmark's global manufacturing footprint and integrated supply chain is geared to keep us one step ahead in order to meet the challenges of a growing business. Over the last year, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities have been successfully audited by over 100 customers and regulatory authorities, including the US FDA and MHRA. We have also implemented measures to shape an organization-wide culture of quality, focused on high levels of compliance. Our clearinghouse project collates feedback from patients globally and channels it into the organization, facilitating improvement in our products and processes and ensuring patient safety. In line with our motto of enriching lives, we are committed to protect the environment, human health, and safety across all our operations globally. Technology has been a key enabler of success, with Glenmark investing in an ERP ahead of its time. Track and Trace is the most recent example where we are leading implementation to enhance product integrity and patient safety. At Glenmark, our people are our greatest strength. Our diverse leadership team spread across key geographies is a reflection of a truly global organization. We take pride in our talent philosophy, to go where the talent is. We celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship by empowering employees to drive business outcomes independently. With a focus on development, Glenmark Center of Learning builds internal capability across functional expertise, managerial competencies, and leadership skills. I say our employee engagement platform is built around the concept of continuous listening and translates feedback into actions that create a meaningful employee experience. At Glenmark, we not only celebrate significant business milestones, but also the small wins every day. Our reward and recognition framework includes UXL, regional awards, and the coveted Chairman's Excellence Awards that recognize superlative performance and business impact. But our commitment goes beyond business offerings to patients worldwide and extends to enriching the lives of our surrounding communities. Our employees bring to life the motto of enriching lives through Glenmark's Joy of Giving, reflecting their social awareness and sensitivity towards the community. Every employee's contribution adds up to Glenmark being one step ahead.